Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Birkenstock slippers. So I've got Birkenstock Arizona, different pair but on different side. Let me grab them. So this model I've got on the Birkenstock side, and they were on sale, that's why it's good deal. So these ones came in bigger box than other ones, like wider one, and it says Birkenstock Arizona in color digital green. They are also from natural leather and suede outside and narrow fit, and same size, just different color. So it looks like this. So it looks like this. So they are really nice. Green color, bottom is also green. Other one looks the same but black. Here is a Birk. These ones are more thicker, I think, than other ones. That less floppy, because other ones were a little more floppier. And these ones are more put together. That suede is more smaller, like less fuzzy, because other one was more fuzzy, more pieces coming out, and this one is more looking like other kind of skin. It says Birkenstock, and these ones have this kind of metal or plastic. I think they are metal, but they are also covered with some green paint, so they better go together with this green. And yeah, 41 sizing also. They were on sale for summer. Very nice. Like this. I'll zoom a little bit. So yeah, they looks like this. Very nice, and I try them on. How they look on me. They looks like this. That's information from them. Yeah, nice. And they looks like this on mirror. They looks good with biker shorts or other shorts. The shorts are older one, or the floppier. So yeah, that's my unboxing of Birkenstock shoes. Slippers, I also got a different model which is new, and I will do 3 unboxings because 3 models, they are platform kind. So stay tuned and thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.